guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm back with another headband wig video. This one is with Vshowhair. I'm super excited to use this one right away. I like the packaging, that black and gold, super cute. So yeah, this is going to be like a nice curly unit. So if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's just get into this unit. So if you guys haven't already heard about the headband wigs, they're pretty much the most easiest wigs to just throw on and go. Like, the headband's already attached to the wig and you just simply put it on. You can leave out hair or you cannot if you want to, and yeah, it's super easy. So this is their kinky curly, and this is in the 18-inch. I'm so excited because this hair looks so gorgeous on the website, so I was so excited to try it out. I'm going to go ahead and take off the net. And this is the hair. Fresh out the box. Really, really pretty texture. Looks so pretty. And then of course it includes headbands. So with the headband wigs, you can always put different headbands on over it and switch up your look, which is my favorite. So there's this like bandana one, a floral, another kind of floral. All these are kind of perfect for the fall time because it has that floral thing going on. And this nice one right here, and then it just has their information inside. Looks super cute. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get into this and put on this wig. So my hair is kind of like already prepped. I had it tied down, and usually what I do is I leave out just a little bit of hair and then I lay my baby hairs because I feel like it looks a bit more natural. So with this headband wig, it does of course have the clips inside to make it easy to attach onto your hair so that your wig isn't going nowhere. And then of course the Velcro strap to secure it in place in the back. So we'll go ahead and just put it right on. Okay, so this is the hair on right away. Super cute. I'm of course gonna fluff it out more. Oh, it's really soft. I like that about it. Yeah, really pretty hair. Just fresh out. As you guys can see, super easy application. The headband on this one looks really good too. Like, very natural looking. Love that. And what I love about headband wigs too, you can always do so many different looks and styles. So of course I could wear it out like this with the natural kinky curly texture, or I could always do a half up, half down, high ponytail, high puff. There's just so much to do with this hair. I know it would look really cute half up, half down. I'm gonna get a scrunchie. So this is what it looks like if I was to do like a half up, half down kind of look. But overall guys, this hair is really soft. I really love the curls on it. The texture is really cute. Love that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the hair with the different headbands. So first I'm gonna show you guys this black one. Okay, so here is the first one where it's kind of like this black bandana kind of look. Super cute. I really like this one. Also, you guys, you can do high buns. You can do so many looks. Like, I feel like these wigs are lifesavers, especially for me. I don't feel like doing my natural hair anymore. I just be so tired. I just take care of it underneath, but when I tell y'all, I just like to throw on my little headband wigs and go. I like to throw them on and go, and you could always wrap it around and create like a high bun if you need to, and it's gonna be nice and secure. Okay, this is the next one. It's like blue, really cute. Okay, next is this like burgundy one, floral. Like I said, you can do different looks. You could do something like this to the side, whatever your style is. So this is the yellow one. You could do even like a low ponytail if you wanted to. Do you a little low ponytail. Okay, so the last headband is like this pink floral, and then you could always take the hair too and do like a low bun, little low bun action. So yeah guys, any kind of look you want to do with this hair, you pretty much can. There's so many styles you can do and just revamp the hair, make it look however you want. Headband wigs are so fun to just play around with. Like, I just get so many styles out of them, and then it's so easy to really just throw on and go. So make sure you guys check the description box, check out Vshowhair. I'll have all their deets and stuff in the description box below. They have different headband wigs, so definitely check out the website, see if there's something on there that you might like. And I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.